You ever stayed silent in front of a stranger? Not because you had nothing to say, because you were afraid of how you'd sound. If that question hit you, this conversation is you. I've noticed something, Grace. Talking to strangers feels uncomfortable, even our own language. When it's English, that discomfort becomes fear before the conversation even begins. The mind starts asking questions. What if I say something wrong? What if they judge me? What if I sound stupid? Suddenly, silence feels safer than that silence doesn't feel peaceful later. It feels heavy. Like we avoided a moment of devotees, we talk about awareness, but in these moments, fear takes over. What helped me was realizing this. Most people aren't focused on us. They're focused on themselves, their worries, their insecurities, their own inner noise. While we think they're judging our English, are we playing their own thoughts? Realization changes everything. Humility opens connection. Conversation isn't performance. It's presence, not grammar, not accent, just intention. Most people don't struggle with English.
They struggle with the fear of being seen. I've also noticed talking feels easier when it's context.
Being in line, sitting in a cafe, traveling.
Text gives permission.
Simple sentences feel natural.
Is the seat taken?
Have you been here before?
Nothing impressive.
Just honest.
Silence feels safe in the moment. It slowly teaches us to hide.
Let's talk about the moment everyone fears. It was quiet. People think silence means failure.
But silence is just space.
Some conversations are meant to be short.
And that's it.
Ending gently is wisdom.
Nice being with you.
Take care.
Simple. Respectful.
Not awkward.
The real fear is foolish.
But sounding human is not.
Every confident speaker struggled.
Growth always looks awkward at first.
Spiritually too.
Yes, surrender comes before ease.
Confidence doesn't come before you speak. It comes because you spoke. How do we practice without pressure?
Or the expectation.
Not a long conversation.
One sentence.
One greeting.
An honest moment.
Morning.
Appreciate it.
These moments teach the nervous system safety.
And safety builds confidence.
Perfection.
Force.
Just repetition with kindness.
You're not bad at English.
You're just afraid of being judged.
English isn't an exam you pass.
You learn to cross.
Every bridge feels shaky at first.
Staying silent forever